What? Why?
Oh.
Sometimes it's nice to have something out of the ordinary, like a refreshing strawberry iced latte. For this recipe, we used 2 cups of chopped strawberries. Rinse the berries well. Strawberries are high in fiber and they're an excellent source of vitamin C. Remove the leaves and roughly chop. You can use frozen berries too, just use the same quantity. Add the sugar to a pot. You can use more or less depending on how sweet you want your latte to be. Bring to a gentle boil and let boil until the sugar has dissolved completely. Turn down to low, add the strawberries, and simmer for 10 minutes. Be sure to keep the temperature low, as if it's too high, the syrup will thicken too much. You can use this strawberry syrup for smoothies, cocktails, or over ice cream. Remove from the heat and gently mash, taking care not to splash yourself as the mixture is quite hot. Strain and press with a spatula to separate the liquid from the pulp. Save the pulp as it makes a wonderful jam. We ended up with just over a cup of syrup. If you're not going to use it right away, store the syrup in the fridge in an airtight container. It will thicken a bit as it cools. Do you live in a place where strawberries are grown? If so, let us know where. We love to hear from you. We used freshly ground coffee to make espresso for our latte. If you don't have an espresso pod or machine, don't worry, you can just use strong regular coffee. Oh no! We're using an induction burner to film this video, and this pot apparently can't be used on the burner. We can't do it on our stovetop because of the mess. Let's use the camp stove. We can pretend we're camping and the strawberry latte will taste extra good. Have you ever had a coffee in the forest, looking out at a lake while the mosquitoes bite you? It tastes so good. If you're enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Ow! Ouch! Oh, I'm actually hurting myself. When the coffee is ready, pour 2 tablespoons of strawberry syrup into a glass. You can add more or less, depending on how sweet you want it to be. Add ice, then slowly pour in a cup or so of the milk of your choice. We used oat milk. Again, pour slowly so you can see the layers. So pretty. Now slowly add the coffee and garnish with the strawberry. When you've enjoyed looking at it for long enough, stir your iced latte and savor it to the last drop. If you like this recipe, you might enjoy this video too.